Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. However, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to sign up and follow this video for the 3 simple steps. Remember, no matter what this winner chooses, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like, which does include the battle pass. So let's just get started with the gifting. So let's go on into the shop, and what he wanted from the item shop was right here, the weekend bundle. Well, he said the weekend skin, but the bundle's better. Anyways, we're gonna give to friends. I'm gonna click on his name, and we are gonna purchase it as a gift. The gifts do get to them right away, so they don't have to wait even a second. Right now, it's sending the gift. As long as I see this gift sent, we're good to go. I can also double check with just going here, and then it's gonna say that he owns this, so I cannot gift it over again. That's how I can check that the gift got to him. Now, if he didn't get the gift, he can just go ahead and change his banner. We can go into a game, get out of the game. That should refresh Fortnite, and he should see his gift. All right, Shorty, I'm sure you got your gift now. And there you go. There it is. So there's the bundle that you got. Congrats for winning today. And if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.